We bop and hippity hop. I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom.
Hello, everybody.
What's up, snowbirds?
We are currently on Panglao Island, which is just south of Bohol, attached by a little bridge. We are going to head up to Bohol today and check out the famous Chocolate Hills. It is about an hour and a half drive.
Hopefully it doesn't rain.
Fingers crossed.
We bop and hippity hop. I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop. I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love.
We've arrived.
After a long drive, we have made it.
We got the Numbum again.
Numbum.
But it is beautiful. Very windy, so I don't know if we can fly the drone.
Unless the wind stops, I don't think so, guys.
Fingers crossed though. So, we're gonna make our way to the top of that hill over there.
Nope.
That hill over there.
Nope.
That hill over there. So, let's go. Got a few stairs. Megan's favorite.
As I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one.
They're so small.
The tiny stairs makes it harder. Let's get on the calf muscles.
Oh my god, my calves.
Hippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
So beautiful.
Look like shit. Look at my helmet.
I'm gonna do the Skywalker thing.
You guys, so I don't remember if you have watched the Port Barton episode yet, or if you remember us talking about it, but we just ran into Robin again.
And
Small travel.
somehow I'm still alive. Somehow we all were insecure but didn't meet each other. So
Yeah. Crazy world. It's a very, very small world.
Yeah,
somehow it is.
the backpacker's route, I guess.
Yeah. Same
I think
route.
so.
Yeah.
Some people have the same
route.
Yeah.
and
It's
some
crazy.
people go the other way around.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's a crazy world, guys.
It's just you are lucky or not.
Yeah.
You never know.
Well, we just had a little hangout with Robin. It was nice to catch up and hear what he's been up to. We are going to head back down and grab some mangoes off the mango stand.
Gonna get some food after. Probably not here because chances are it's really overpriced. But food. And we might go to where? What?
Who knows?
Yeah, who knows?
We're taking you with us either way.
Freedom! Oh, wind. Okay, see you guys down there.
Do you have a whole mango?
Sour mangoes. No luck. Oh, that was nice. $1 haircut. Do the straight razor edges and stuff. Do like a little loosen me up massage. It's fancy for a buck. It's real fancy. So anyways, we're just gonna grab a couple bottles of water and some juice. We're gonna head back to the hometown craziness. Starving, we need food. So, alright, so after a long hour drive and being stopped at a roadblock, we've arrived at our street food place just down the block from our hotel. So, just a tip. Apparently you're supposed to wear shoes when you scooter around in the Philippines. The guy let us off, so we're okay, but we did ask for my driver's license. International. Again. So, food time. Alrighty, so we're back at the hotel after a nice long day at Chocolate Hills. So I just want to clarify, with the roadblock that we went through, it wasn't like a police scam kind of thing. There's police checkpoints all over the Philippines. Chances are you'll experience one. But anyways, thanks for watching our day here in Bohol. We'll see you guys tomorrow for more fun adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification button. Peace. to our last beach day in the Philippines.
Maybe.
Maybe our last beach day in the Philippines.